Hello friends, today we'll know what is computer. Basics of computer. In this slide you can see the needs of computer, why computer is needed, why computer is essential for us. Here is the definition of computer, you just read it. These are the 4 types of computers: super, mainframe, mini and microcomputer. In this slide you see the different parts of computer. CPU is the part of a computer. Here is the monitor slide. You can pause the video and read the lines. This is keyboard slides. This is mouse slide. Why mouse is important, written here. What are the peripherals devices? Printers, scanner, these are the peripheral devices. We have to know it. Speaker, headphones, microphones, these are also peripheral devices. What are the input and output devices? It is very important topic. You have to know what is input and output devices. What is storage devices? This is also very important. Hard disk, floppy, compact disk, these are the storage devices. Thank you. Share, subscribe, like please.